Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon cheesecake at home, full guide. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F, line a 9-inch springform pan, and soften cream cheese to room temperature for easy mixing. Beat cream cheese until smooth, add sugar, then eggs one at a time, folding in lemon zest and juice. Pour over prepared crust, bake in a water bath until center jiggles slightly, then cool fully before chilling. Start with a buttery graham crust pressed firmly into a 9-inch springform pan and chill while you make the filling. Beat 24 Oz cream cheese with 3/4 cup sugar until silky, then add 2 large eggs one at a time, scraping the bowl between additions. Stir in 2 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon lemon zest for bright flavor. Pour gently onto crust and smooth the top to reduce air pockets for an even bake. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while you bake, prevents spills, and fits in most appliance nooks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one for your kitchen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the filled pan into a larger pan with hot water about 1 inch up the side to create a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees F for 50 to 65 minutes until edges are set and the center still jiggles slightly. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let the cake cool inside for 30 minutes to prevent cracks. Refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight before unmolding and slicing for clean pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.